What'd you get?
23, I think.
Wow.
Fucking sounds great.
23.3 knots. 3 people, full fuel.
Right.
Half full of water.
Yeah, that's 2 more people.
I think you would have choked out by now, don't you?
Oh, fuck yeah.
Yeah. You know the fuck out of it.
5 times.
Right.
Hey, I want to warm up.
That's perfect. 140.
I know.
Yeah.
It's not even
I
hard.
just have the head. Keep that fuck up, that old box. That head, you know, when you want it hard, 140 right there in that front. It kept getting hot. Remember last year? Dude, that line is fucking dead nuts. That's the smoothest this boat's ever been.
I'm gonna go 2 mile an hour fast with all this water out of it.
Oh, by himself? Without all...
I might fucking idle when we get in here. It's so cold, those sharps are freaking ice. It's all condensation.